Hello and welcome everyone to our channel. Today we have made a video on India's largest online library, that is National Digital Library of India NDLI, that holds a lot of resources for the online learners community at free of cost. It has educational materials available for all subjects like technology, social science, literature, law, medical, etc. It also contains test preparation materials for some major competitive exams in India like JEE, JAM, GATE, UGC, NET, etc. and research repository too. Now let us browse the website of NDLI to see how to view videos and text materials of different subjects. First, to go to the website, open your browser and type NDLI and click the first list in the browse list. Now let us see the study at home materials of any subject, for example literature. So we click on literature. We can see that the materials are available in audio, video, lecture and articles format. We can also see the famous literary works in English here. Here, these books are available associated with the another great digital libraries of the world, Project Gutenberg. We have already made a video on how to browse and download content from that website. You can check that by clicking on the I button above. Now, let us see the research repository of COVID-19. It is available in blog, index and paper form. Are available in association with major online publications such as ACM, Cambridge University Press, Oxford University Press, etc. We also have documents and videos, journals and conferences. We will see the materials for exam preparations for different major exams in our next video. Hope you liked the video and found it useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you soon.